To make your Samsung phone faster, go to Settings on your Samsung phone. Scroll down to find the Smart Manager option, then tap it. It will start checking your Samsung phone and show you the situation in percent. Tap the Optimize Now button to optimize it. You can fix the issues here if there are. Go back to the Smart Manager and click the Storage option. It will start checking your storage and show the details. Scroll down to the Gallery Trash option and tap it. Then you will see the images and videos in the trash. Preview it and see if you need it or not. If not, delete it permanently. Go back to the storage and tap the Unused Apps option. Scroll down to find the apps you don't want to use anymore. Choose it and tap the Uninstall option to uninstall it. Go back to the storage, then go back to the Smart Manager. Tap the three-dot menu on the top right and click the Auto Optimization option. Turn on the Clean Junk Files automatically and the Restart when needed options. If needed, you can also check to see if your software is up to date. If not, just update it.